Hi, this is Sohrab, and in this video I'm going to talk about transferring effects from one clip to a group of clips in DaVinci Resolve Fusion. Since DaVinci Resolve incorporates 4 complete professional programs, sometimes the assigned key and methods for performing tasks can be a bit strange and unexpected. One of these is copying and transferring effects in the Fusion page, which is quite different from the standard copy and paste logic, and there is no copy command or related keys. Here we have a clip with a simple effect applied to it, and I want to add it to the other clips. There are 2 ways to do this. First, select the destination clips and then hover the mouse cursor over the source clip or the one with the effect, and then press the middle mouse button or wheel. From the window that appears, we select the overwrite option, and thus the effects are transferred to the selected clips. The second method is to again first select the destination clips and then right-click on the source clip and select the Apply Composition option, which asks about overwrite, and by confirming it, the effects are transferred to the selected clips. Hope you find this useful and make magic with your projects.